Still struggling with choosing between a vertical press or a horizontal press? 6,000 tons KDB Belt Type Longitudinal Press Line. 3 core advantages outperform peers in the same class. Flexible in size and capable of overseas adaptation. Laminating large boards is more efficient and worry-free. First, laminating large boards can be achieved freely and easily. Horizontal presses are limited by their structure. Large-sized boards are difficult to laminate. KDB vertical lines break the size constraint. Covers all 5 mainstream specifications such as 7x12 feet, 6x12 feet, and 7x9 feet. Large panels are laminated in one press lamination without the need for splicing. High-end customized, and large area application requirements. Production capacity is fully utilized. Second, the pinnacle of precision, so flat it's stunning. Exclusive vertical board feeding design. Compared with the horizontal press, thickness of boards, density uniformity, far exceeding industry standards. Flatness is visible to naked eye. No additional leveling is required for subsequent processing. Save labors and materials. Upgrading quality of finished products for overseas markets. To protect the core components of the press, extend the service life. It is recommended to prioritize fixing 1-2 main sizes during mass production. The main size ensures stable production and greater durability. Choosing right equipment equal to winning at starting line. KDB Belt Type Longitudinal Line. Consider large sizes as well. High precision, stabilized quality, double your production efficiency and product competitiveness.